are working on GMetrix Outlook Practice Exam 3. Task 33 asks us to go ahead and create a calendar event for all day for next week. So we'll go ahead and click the calendar icon over here, and we'll go ahead and select that day a week from now. Because I double-clicked in the calendar instead of clicking New Appointment, All Day Event is checked. It tells us that the subject is going to be Day Retreat, and it's going to be in the Convention Center. And it's a week from today. So we'll go ahead and click Save and Close. Task 34 asks us to go ahead and create a reoccurring calendar appointment. So we'll go ahead and click our calendar icon over here. And what it wants us to do is to create this calendar appointment to reoccur for the next 15 weeks. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up today's date. We'll go ahead and type in business lunch. The location is in the office. We'll want to uncheck all day event. Change this to start at 12. It's going to end at 12:30. This is a reoccurring event, so we'll go ahead and click reoccurrence. And it's going to end after 15 occurrences. We'll go ahead and click OK. And we'll go ahead and click Save and Close. Task 35 asks us to go ahead and create a contact. So we'll go ahead and click the contact icon down here. And we'll go ahead and click New Contact. The name is going to be GMetrix Support. The company is going to be GMetrix. And we'll go ahead and type in the email address. Tells us to leave all other fields blank. We'll go ahead and hit Save and Close. Task 36 asks us to go ahead and disable the sound so that we do not receive that when we get an email. So the setting is the keyword. We'll click File, Options, Mail, and right here we're going to uncheck Play a Sound. We'll go ahead and click OK. Task 37 asks us to go ahead and change our calendar preview to use the Corbel font. We'll go ahead and click our calendar icon down here at the bottom. This question is a little bit trickier. We're going to want to go ahead and click View at the top, Change View, then Manage Views. From here, we want to go ahead and click Preview. We'll click Modify, Other Settings, Font. Type in Corbel. OK, OK, OK. We'll apply the view. Task 38 asks us to go ahead and save the email, the TPS report. So we'll go ahead and we'll double-click this email from Susan Jacobson. We'll click File, Save As. From here, we'll want to map to our GMetrix templates folder. And then we just want to make sure that we have the Outlook message format selected. We'll click Save. And we can close out of the email. Task 39 asks us to go ahead and create a rule to automatically flag emails from Craig Stronin as a follow-up for today. So we're on our Home tab at the top. We're in the Move group. We'll click the Rules drop-down. We'll click Manage Rules and Alerts. From here, we'll go ahead and click New Rule. We'll click Flag Messages from Someone for follow-up. We'll click Next. With that selected here at the top, we can go down here and select this and click Craig Stronin. We'll click OK. And then Flag Message for follow-up. We'll make sure it says today. Notice it changes. We'll click Finish, Apply, OK. Task 40 asks us to go ahead and create a new contact group. So we'll go ahead and go to our contacts down here at the bottom. And what we want to do is go ahead and click New Contact Group here. We'll call it Marketing Team. Make sure you capitalize the words. We'll click Add Members from Outlook Contacts, and we'll select Craig Stronin and Rachel Lee. We'll click OK. Save and close. Task 41 asks us to go ahead and create a meeting from a week today. It's going to be an email. We could do this a number of ways. We'll go ahead and click New Items here. We'll click a Meeting. In this line, we'll go ahead and select John Doe. We'll click OK. The location is going to be my office, lowercase o, and the subject will go ahead and type new employee review. It's going to start at 9:30 a.m. Threw me off because it said 9:30 p.m. It's going to end at 10 a.m. and the body will go ahead and type, I look forward to talking to you. Make sure you add the period. And it just wants us to go ahead and save the message. We'll go ahead and click close. Task 42 asks us to go ahead and change the search options to search all mailboxes. So this is a little bit different. We're going to go ahead and click File, Options. We're going to select Search over here on the left-hand side, and we're just going to choose all mailboxes. We'll click OK. Task 43 asks us to go to the Notes. So we'll go ahead there and change the view to List View. So we'll go to View up here and click Notes List. I think I said the wrong one. You could have also done it from this tab over here, but we'll click Next. Task 44 asks us to go ahead and change the people position in our navigation pane. So we'll go ahead and click the dots here. We'll click Navigation Options, and we'll go ahead and select people here and click Move Up twice. We'll click OK. You could have also clicked and dragged it over. Task 45 asks us to go ahead and use the instant search to find an email. This is a multi-level search. It can be a little bit tricky if you're doing it for the first time. What we'll do is put our cursor here in the search box, and then from here we can select in the scope all Outlook items. You can also select that from here. In the Refine group, we want to click the More drop-down, click Body, and then here we want to type in Working For. If you're not quick enough, often it will jump up here and you'll be typing the wrong things. So just watch for that. And then it wants us to go ahead and select the fourth email here. Task 46 asks us to go ahead and create a new task. So we'll go ahead and click the task icon down here. We'll click New Task. The subject's called Clean Desk. It says that the due date is for tomorrow. The priority is low on this. And it gives us some body text to go ahead and type. Go ahead and click Save and Close. Task 47 asks us to go ahead and edit Susan Jacobson's business card. So we'll go to the contacts. We'll go ahead and change, before we do anything, we need to change this view to business card. Then we can go ahead and select Susan Jacobson. Once we're here in the contact card, we'll go to the Contact tab. We'll click Business Card in the Options group. We want to change the image to top, and then the image align needs to be center. We'll click OK. Make sure to hit Save and Close.